What is going on, guys? It is the next day. We just got back from doing some riding yesterday, and now it's time to go and prep for our 4th of July weekend. It is hot out here. What better way to spend a hot day than going and get some fireworks? Got Javit, we got the whole crew in the Jeep here.
Road trip!
Man. But yeah, we're gonna go get some fireworks, and then they brought all their ATVs over to my place. And then we're gonna come back and we're gonna do some riding. We're gonna do some full sending, and we're gonna have some fun. Alright guys, we'll catch you when we get to the fireworks store. Hey guys, just got back from the fireworks store. Unfortunately, they wouldn't let us film in there, so we didn't get to see us record us buying all the fireworks. But we got the ATVs unloaded right now. We're about to go out on the ride here. But I'll go ahead and show you guys what we got here for next week, for the 4th of July. Someone's out riding right now. Gotta grab that other bag. Ooh. Got quite a bit here. Let's see. We got some rockets. Let Audie pull out some of these things. I don't even know what some of these things are called. I just started grabbing them.
We've got some things.
Yeah. We got a Super Stallion. We got 16, or just not 16 shot of Glory Days.
Cannonball here.
Cannonball.
Another message. A couple fun tubes.
Some mortars. Miniature happy fireworks.
Oh, you know what we do? We just slap that on.
We got a time bomb.
Got your classics right here, M100.
Got 4th of July parade.
Call this one the X-Flash.
Red, white, some red, white, and blue.
Battle of New Orleans.
This is
Masonic Boom.
someone called the Circuit Breaker. We got a Little Wild. What's that one called?
I might get a little wild on that one.
Hot Haley's Calmer, whatever that means.
That's my sister. Sister of your sister?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
We got
5 years ago.
got the big bling, and our two big boys in here.
Look at this thing.
Woo!
What do you even call that?
That's a heavy.
John Wick's V8. Freaking.
John Wick.
Then we got Screaming Hawk.
Oh yeah.
And some of you guys may say, "Oh, this ain't no fireworks show." It's what we can afford right now.
Yeah.
We ain't $2,000, $3,000 ready to go and buy fireworks. But this is what we'll do. We'll have
This
a
is better
good.
than fountains and firecrackers.
Yep. We'll have a
That's
good.
in North Carolina.
Yeah.
So we had to go across the border to get this stuff.
It doesn't matter. Everyone in our state does it. But yeah, this will be we'll be shooting all these off at the Green Swamp next week for the 4th of July, and it's gonna be a blast. So we're gonna go ahead and put these things away. I'm gonna eat, and then we're gonna hit some mud. All right, guys. We'll catch you in a minute. Out here hitting the mud now. just flooded this whole trail. Roger it. Yeah. Yeah, not really using the GoPros right now. Just the big camera. Let's see what the stock Sportsman's got. They got water in my boot. Yeah, not using the GoPros right now. Plus, in the background, I think it's raining, so yeah, not gonna take those out right now. Water is in my boots. Water in my boots. I got wet socks. I got wet socks now. Yeah. Fine.
Yeah, probably not took that same line as that. Nope.
So I got water in my boots now. Just go ahead and dump that out real quick. Not a lot. But you don't like that feeling of wet socks? No one does. There's still water in it.
To the right.
Danny, it's all soaked in the bomb. That's what feels like the wrong water. We're gonna head to the gas station and then we're gonna keep on riding. Quick fuel stop right now, guys. Stopping to get some gas. What do you think of my area, Brian?
It is awesome, man. A lot better than the river.
Yeah. Yeah, you guys will see that video before this one, but yeah, we attempted to go and check out some old river trails that just weren't there anymore. Instead, we were all in the woods, getting stuck and trying to make our own trails, and we couldn't go anywhere.
It's fun though. We had a lot to play.
Yeah.
For what little bit of area we had to ride.
Mm-hmm. But yeah.
The plan is to go back, kind of make our own paths and open it up a little bit in the near future. Don't know when.
Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna get some fuel here and we're gonna get back out on the trail. Just got down to Town Creek, everyone. Rode all the ATVs through the trails, which I didn't find this for any time. What I'm trying to say is it wasn't worth it to record us going through there because it's always overgrown and stuff. They don't get ridden much that often. But yeah, we're just out here enjoying nature right now. Gonna go walk out on the boat dock. Still looks like it's gonna rain, doesn't it?
Oh yeah.
Got the whole group walking onto the dock.
What's up?
Say They got all of us walking onto the dock.
Got a little launch right there. Got a kayak.
Kayak.
Oh, I'm just playing. I like how they built this too.
Mm.
That's how big the shark we are.
Can't really since I live in the vicinity. But yep, it's definitely nice out here for sure. A great.
Get a rope swing out here somewhere.
There used to be a vine on a tree over there back in the day that we'd all swing on as kids.
Go behind.
Yeah.
Grew off the tree.
Yeah, it grew off the tree until it eventually broke. But yeah, we're just gonna hang out down here for a little bit. It's definitely a good spot to launch a boat for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. But guys, we're probably gonna end the video off here because it's meant to be a short video today. We went and got our fireworks, and hit some holes, and had a good time. So, whole group here is all ready for the 4th of July week and next week at the
Come
Green
out to the
Swamp.
Green Swamp.
And if you want to join us on that ride, search us up on Facebook, request to join, and you can talk to us in there and get the information you need in order to get out there. Next Friday, we're going to be doing, next Saturday, we're going to be doing a long journey across the Green Swamp, and then on Sunday, it's just going to be normal riding, and then we're going to come back on the 4th of July and have some fun, shoot off some fireworks. But that's what we're going to end up doing. Yep. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy this, and we'll catch y'all on the next one.